Hello friends, welcome to the channel Educator G, and today we will discuss concepts of maths. Kindly subscribe our channel, and also you can follow us on Telegram. The link of Telegram channel is given here, that is t.me/educator. Okay, then let's begin. Before beginning the lecture on a topic, there is a disclaimer that kindly view the lecture only if you want to learn the concept. If you want to learn the shortcut tricks, there are many books available in the market which will tell you only the shortcut trick. But in this video, I will tell you the concept as well as shortcut tricks. Because if you learn the concept, there will be no need to mug up the shortcut trick, and the concept will be with you for lifetime. But if you learn the shortcut trick, then it will only for a short term. Remember it. Okay, then let's start our topic. So today's topic is partnership. So what is partnership? When two or more person agree to invest their money to run a business or a firm or any kind of business, okay, then this kind of agreement is called partnership. When two or more people agree to invest their money to run a business or a firm, then this kind of agreement is called partnership. The persons involved in the partnership are called partners. I think you are familiar with the word partnership and partner, but here is the particular definition of the same word. Okay, so there are two types of partnership. First one is sleeping partnership. So what is sleeping partnership? In sleeping partnership, the sleeping partner is the person who provides only investment but does not take part in running the business. That is, he will only infuse the capital but he will not take part in running the business. Okay, and another type is working partner. The working partner is one, the person who will not only invest in the business but also take part in running the business. Remember that the working partner, as the name suggests, will work to make the business grow, while the sleeping partner will only infuse the capital but he will not work to enhance the business or to speed the business. For this work, the partner is also paid some salary or some percent of profit in addition. Okay, there are two types of partnership. First one is simple partnership. In simple partnership, capitals of partners are invested for the same period of time. That is, if there is person A, he invests for a period of 12 months, and there is person B who invests for a period of 12 months, then it is called simple partnership. But in compound partnership, if there are two or three persons, suppose A invests for 12 months, B invests for 9 months, and C invests for 8 months, then this type of partnership is called compound partnership. That is, the capitals are invested by partners for different period of time, and also the capital may also vary. Remember that in compound partnership, capital may also vary. Okay, capital may also vary, यानी capital भी vary करेगा. Okay, partnership and types of problems. So there are two distinct cases of problems based on partnership concept. So let's first discuss case 1. If the investment made by all the parties for the same period, then you will be asked to find gain or loss that is distributed among them in the ratio of their investment. Okay, if suppose A invests 10,000 rupees and B invests 20,000 rupees for the same period of time, then you will be required to tell the ratio in which they will share the profit. It is a case one. Yeah, case one. That is, both the partners, or maybe more than two partners, invest the amount for the same period of time, and we have to find the ratio of their profit distribution ratio. So in such cases, the formula is, that is, capital of A divided by capital of B is equal to profit of A divided by profit of B. We will learn this concept more clearly when we will attempt a question on the same. Okay, now let's come to our concept number 2, that is case 2. Case 2 is that when two partners A and B invest their money but for a different period of time to run a business, then in that kind of case, it is known as compound partnership, as we already learned. And in such cases, the formula will be capital of A into time period of A by capital of B into time period of B is equal to profit of A by profit of B. Remember, in earlier case, the time period of A and time period of B are same. If we apply this method there also, it will be applicable. How? Suppose A invested for 12 month, okay, and B also invested for 12 month, okay. If we apply this in this formula, and suppose A invested X rupee and B invested Y rupee, if we apply this in the formula, it will become capital of A, that is X, into time period, that is 12 month, by capital of B into time period, that is 12 month. So both will be cancelled and we will get the only capital. That's why we are taking only capital in case number 1. There is no need to take the time because both have the time same. So for the upper part and lower part, the time will be cancelled and we will get this formula. That's why, friend, I am telling you that learn the concept. There will be no need to mug up the formula. So in case 2, the formula is capital of A into time period of A by capital of B into time period of B is equal to profit of A by profit of B. Let's be now let's come to shortcut. Whenever someone sees shortcut, he get his smile on his face because it's easier to solve the question through shortcut. There is no need to mug up the concept. So let's learn rule number 1. And remember, it is applicable in case their number of partners is more than 2. If 2 partners are investing their money, C1 and C2, for equal period of time, and their profit is P, then their share of profit are C1 into P by C1 plus C2 and C2 into P by C1 plus C2. Let's make it easier way. Divide it, that is C1 by C1 plus C2 into P, okay, for A, and C2 by C1 plus C2 into P, that is for B. Okay, let's come to rule number 2. If the partners are investing their money but for a different period of time, that is, suppose A invest for T1 time and B invest for T2 time, then how we have to calculate the same? In that case, the formula will be C1 into T1 into B by C1 T1 plus C2 T2 and C2 into T2 into P by C1 T1 plus C2 T2. Okay, we will learn this concept more clearly, as I already told, when we will solve the questions. So now it's time to apply the concept and trick as well. So let's see the question number 1. A and B started a business by investing rupees 36,000 and 63,000. We have to find share of each out of the total profit of 5,500. Okay, and the options are given here. A, that is 22,000 and 3,500. Option B, 2,500 and 3,500. Option C, 3,500 and 2,500. Option D, none of these. So how to attempt this question? Let's see. So option A is correct, but how we arrive to this conclusion, we have to study this. Then only we will learn the concept. Here A has invested rupees 36,000 and B has invested rupees 63,000. Total profit is also given. Now let us assume that A gets rupees X as profit. Then what will be the share of B? It will be 5,500 minus X. Now applying the concept, let's go to the previous slide. What does it say? That is the ratio of the investment is equal to ratio of profit. This formula, okay. Yeah, this formula, that is ratio of investment of A by ratio of investment of B is equal to ratio of profit of A by ratio of profit of B. Now let's come to our question. Now see here, that is the investment of A is 36,000 rupees and of B is 63,000, and we have assumed the profit of A as rupees X and profit of B as rupees 5,500 minus X. So applying the formula, that is capital of A will be 36,000, capital of B will be 63,000 is equal to ratio of their profit, that is profit of X by profit of B. So on solving, we will get the value of x as 2000. And what is x? X is nothing but the profit of A. So we can say that profit of A is rupees 2000, which is equal to A's profit, and profit of B is equal to 5500 minus x. We apply this value here and we get 5500 minus 200, that is 3500. And so we can say that option A is correct. Hope you have got the concept clearly. Now, अब shortcut वाला फंडा, that is how we will apply the shortcut. We have already learned that in case the partners are investing their money C1 and C2 but for equal period of time and their profit is given, then we can find the share of profit directly by applying the formula, that is C1 by C1 plus C2 into P and C2 by C1 plus C2 into P. Now in this case for A, what is C1? C1 is 36,000. Okay, so we will get 36,000 divided by C1 plus C2, that is 36,000 plus 63,000 into profit. Profit is 5500. So on solving, we get 36 by 99 into 55, that is 36 by 99 into 55. By 11 we can cancel this 5 and this is 9 and 9 36 4, that is 4 into 500, 4 into 500. We get A's profit is equal to 2000. So A's share of profit will be 2000, which is given here. And similarly, if we find for B, we will get the profit as rupees 3500. So this is the shortcut wala funda for getting the share of profit of both A and B. Hope the concept and shortcut both are clear for you. Now let's come to our question number 2. Alexa starts some business with rupees 50,000 and after 3 months Siri joins her with rupees 70,000. At the end of year, in what ratio they will share the profit? So which concept you are going to apply here? Here we are going to apply concept number 2, that is where two persons or more than two persons are investing their money in different amount and also for different terms. That is formula was C1 into T1 by C2 into T2 is equal to the ratio of the profit of A and B. So their options are given, that is 1:3, 3:2, 1:5 or none of these. So let's see how the question is solved. Okay, so Alexa invested rupees 50,000 for 12 months is given. After 3 months, Siri joined with rupees 70,000. It means that her capital was invested for 9 months. Because in a year there are 12 months. For 3 months, Siri has not invested any money. So the remaining will be 9 months. Okay. Now applying the concept, we will get that capital of A into time period of A is by capital of B into time period of B is equal to profit of A by profit of B. In this case, we assume Alexa as A and we assume CD as B. So applying the formula, we get capital of A, that is 50,000 into time period, that is 12 month, by capital of B, that is of CD 70,000 into time period, that is 9 months, which is equal to profit of A by profit of B. On solving, we get 50,000 into 12 divided by 70,000 into 9, that is, which will become 5 into 12 by 7 into 9. We can cancel this 2 by 3, that is 4 and 3. So we are getting the ratio as 20:21. But you can see clearly that in this question, what are the options? Options are 1:3, 3:2, 1:5 and none of these. So we are getting 20:21 as the option, but it is not one of the options here. So we can directly say that the option will be none of these. There is no need for any kind of confusion. So exhausted? Okay, let's take a break and we will continue solving problems on partnership in our next lecture. Thank you friends, and the lecture series is continued. So don't stay away and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.